Welcome to Remedy Science. I'm Mr. Remzi, and today, we're diving into the world of anti-aging remedies. We've got a range of tips and tricks to explore. We'll cover skincare hacks, lifestyle tweaks, and expert tips to keep you glowing. DIY face masks. Honey mask. Mix honey with a small amount of lemon juice for a hydrating and mildly exfoliating mask. Avocado mask. Mash ripe avocado and apply it to your face for a nourishing boost of vitamins and antioxidants. Green tea toner. Brew green tea, let it cool, and use it as a toner. The antioxidants in green tea may help combat free radicals. Coconut oil, night moisturizer. Apply a small amount of virgin coconut oil to your face before bedtime. It's rich in fatty acids that can help moisturize and repair the skin barrier. Aloe vera gel. Use pure aloe vera gel directly on your skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties and may support collagen production. Rosewater DIY toner. Mix rosewater with witch hazel for a natural toner. Rosewater can have a calming effect on the skin. Facial massage. Gently massage your face with upward and outward strokes using a facial oil or your fingertips. This can improve blood circulation and promote a healthy glow. Healthy diet, antioxidant-rich foods. Include colorful fruits like berries and vegetables, as well as nuts and seeds, in your diet. These foods provide essential vitamins and antioxidants. Stay hydrated, water intake. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Hydration is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and overall health. Quality sleep. Establish a consistent sleep routine. Your skin undergoes repair and regeneration during deep sleep phases. Limit sugar and processed foods. Opt for a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods to provide your skin with essential nutrients. Embrace aging, feel good. Try these remedies, share your thoughts, and subscribe to our Remedy Science family.